Hi, this is Sasha over here, and in this video we will be discussing about functions. Now, what is a function? A function basically are pre-programmed formulas that you can use for data analysis. These functions can be arithmetic, they can be statistical, they can be accounting related formulas. So let's start and let's see how functions can help us perform our work for data analysis more effectively and efficiently. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to open my Excel file and open a sample data. So this is the data that I have, and this data I have downloaded from contextuals.com. So I'll leave the link in the description. You can download the data from here as well. This is a good website, and you can see you can have different sorts of data that will help you to polish your skills in Excel. Now going back, I'm going to go over here first of all in data, and over here sort and filter. I'm going to click on this. What will this do is this will remove the filter option from the heading. Now this is the data I have. Now let's suppose I want to calculate the total unit cost of all these represent items, and I want to calculate the total cost that I have. Now there is one way that I can perform a formula is by going over each and every function and summing it up. So this is going to take a lot of time. What are we going to do is going to use the sum function. Now how do we use the sum function? Basically an equal to sign basically represents that the function has started or the formula has started. Now the sum function is written as sum. This is the function. Now after the function, in the bracket we write the arguments. The argument are basically the number of cells that we want to calculate, or you can say it is a reference to those cells that we want to analyze. So in this formula we want the total sum from F to, I'm going to drag this all the way to the bottom till F44. I'm going to come over here and close the bracket. I'm going to click on enter. Now you can see it has calculated the sum of all these units for me, and it is equal to 873.27. Now in the previous formula, if we wanted to round this off, we are going to go to home over here in the number section. In the decrease decimal, we can decrease the decimal, and this will round off the data. Now further on this, if we want to calculate the sum of all this, there is another shortcut that we could do, and that shortcut is we are going to click on the first cell and we are going to hold the left mouse key and drag this all the way up till the cell where we want our answer to be, and over here we are going to click alter and equal to sign, and when we come back you can see that this has calculated the sum of all the total, and the formula is the same.